Before you see the answers for practice number 1, please pause the video and try the practice out on your own first to see if you are doing things correctly. Then you can unpause it and check your answers. Now that you have attempted to solve these on your own, please check your answers. For number 1, if we are going from this point 0, 3 to 2, 0, you should be moving from left to right. Notice that as we go down, that down we represent with a negative. So up is going to be positive, down is going to be negative. So just make sure you have that negative. And then we're going to the right by 2. So we have a slope of negative 3 over 2. In letter B, you can choose any 2 points. I chose the point negative 2, 0 and the point 1, 2. So to get from one to the next, I'm going up 2, which is a positive, and to the right 3, giving me a slope of 2/3. And finally, in letter C, I subtracted the y's on the top, 1 minus 5, to give me negative 4. And I subtracted the x's on the bottom, 10 minus a negative 8, which gives me a positive 18. If I divide or simplify those, I get negative 2 over 9.